Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook barbecue ribs in the oven. First, let's get those ribs ready. You'll want to remove the thin membrane from the back of the rack. This makes them incredibly tender. Then, apply your favorite dry rub generously to both sides. Make sure your oven is preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow start is key for juicy, fall-off-the-bone ribs. Now for the slow cooking process. Place your seasoned ribs, meat side up, on a baking sheet. It's crucial to cover them very tightly with aluminum foil. This creates a steamy environment, ensuring they stay moist. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 2.5 to 3 hours. They should be incredibly tender, almost falling apart, when they're ready for the next step. It's time to add that signature barbecue flavor. Carefully remove the foil from the ribs and pour off any excess liquid that has collected in the pan. Now, grab your favorite barbecue sauce and brush a generous amount over the entire rack. Don't be shy. Once sauced, increase your oven's temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This higher heat will help caramelize the sauce beautifully. We're in the home stretch. Place those sauced ribs back into the hotter oven for another 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them until that barbecue sauce is beautifully caramelized and sticky. Once they are done, the hardest part is waiting. Let the ribs rest for about 10 minutes before you slice into them. This resting period ensures the juices redistribute, making every bite incredibly flavorful and moist.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.